guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to play the strumming version of Atlantis by Seafret, so I hope you'll join me on this journey and learn this song with me. Let's get straight into it. We've got our capo on the 4th fret today, so the chords I'm teaching you will be relative to that. And the chords that we need to know for this song are our A minor, C major, E minor, and then our D major, just the 4th to the 1st string. So A minor, C major, E minor, D major. So let's get into the intro. So we're going to begin on our C major, and our strumming pattern throughout the intro is going to be down, down, up, down, up. So, and a bit quicker. So the first bar is going to be, and then we're going to stay on that C major and go down, down, up, then onto a D major, down, down, up. So, down, down, up, down, down, up, and again, down, down, up, down, down, up, and then E minor. 2 bars of that strumming pattern, so the whole first part will be, and then repeat that, and then on the 4th bar of that sequence we're going to go straight to our D major with a single down strum. So E minor and then D major. So the whole intro is going to be, and that will take us into our verse. Now our verse is going to be played identically to the intro, except we'll play the whole thing through twice. So I'll show you that now. That's really all that there is to the verse, and that'll take us onto a pre-chorus, which is where we get our first new chords. So we're going to go onto an A minor, then a C major, then an E minor, and then a D major. So I'll show you that now with a new strumming pattern. So our new strumming pattern is going to be down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, and again down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, on our A minor, C major, E minor, D major, and we'll play that through twice there. So I'll play it a little bit quicker for you now, up to speed. And that's all of our pre-chorus, and that'll take us into our chorus, which is going to start with that same strumming pattern, but beginning on our C major, E minor, then D major, and again. So it's C major to E minor to D major, and then D major again. So one more time, and remember we'll play that one through twice as well, so the chorus is played twice. take us back into another verse, and the only other thing to note for these verses is as we go from our C to our D to our E minor, as we return to our C, we're going to go via the D major again. So adding in that D major after the E minor. That's all you need to know for the verses. And then we've learned all of our verse, pre-chorus and chorus. And then the only other thing you need to know is the outro, which is played just like the verses. So we'll show you that now. So there we're not going to end on our D major single strum, we're going to strum through it, down, down, up, down, up, C major. So and ending on a single strum on our C major. So that was Atlantis by Seafret. I hope you've enjoyed learning this tutorial with me, and there are plenty of other strumming tutorials just like that one on my channel, so go check them out and I'll see you next time.